In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Gmail. Setting up an email signature can add a personal or professional touch to your communications, ensuring that every email you send includes your contact details or a personal note. Let's walk through the process step by step together. First, let's open Gmail. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon and then select See All Settings. This will open a new window filled with various options for customizing your Gmail experience. Now that we have the settings open, let's move over to the General tab. Within this tab, scroll down until you find the Signature section. It's not difficult to locate, but depending on how many settings you have to sift through, it might take a moment. Once you're in the Signature section, you'll want to click on Create New. This is the spot where you'll craft your signature. You'll see a prompt asking you to give your signature a name. It's useful to label it based on how you'll use it, such as personal or work, which will help you manage multiple signatures with ease. Now let's start creating the content of your signature. You can type in your name, job title, contact information, or any other details you'd like to include. Perhaps you're feeling a bit creative. Gmail gives you the ability to add images, links, and even emojis to make your signature stand out. Use the formatting tools provided to adjust the style and appearance until it's just right. Play around with bold, italics, colors, or different font sizes to give it a polished and personalized look. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to assign the signature to your emails. Decide if you want your new signature to appear automatically in new emails, replies, forwards, or maybe all of them. This setting ensures that your signature appears exactly where and when you want it in your correspondence. With your signature all set up, don't forget the last crucial step. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and hit Save Changes. Without this, your efforts won't be reflected in your emails. And there you have it. Now every email you send will include your new signature, adding a touch of personality or professionalism that will be automatic